Hey everybody, it's Patrick Storch with the mortgage firm Tampa, and today I want to give you some tips on building your credit scores. That's right, credit is very important when getting a mortgage. It's very important, period. Now, what can you do to help yourself get into the position with good credit to buy a house? Well, tip number one, pay your bills on time. That's right, don't pay your bills late. It will be reported to the credit reporting agency and you'll have a mark against your credit report and it will drop your credit score. Number two, balances. Keep your balances on your credit card not more than 33% of what you're allowed to borrow. So if you're allowed to borrow your high credit, your maximum credit is $1,000, keep the balance under $333. and you'll have great credit. Number three, don't open up any new credit card debt, because once you open up new debt, then it goes against you for a certain period of time until you start establishing that credit that you just opened. And number four, don't close out all of your credit cards or any credit cards, because you're taking a great credit resource that you've had for a while and you're turning it off, okay? And that goes against your credit. So leave it open, just don't use it. So those are 4 great tips for you for building your credit so that you can become a homeowner in these historic times of low interest rates. Now's a great time to buy.